Hey guys, welcome. This is George Nasser. I've been asked this question a lot: how to put on V prawns and so forth. Do you fuse them? Do you solder them on? So what I do is I do both. Sometimes when I make the V, if you flatten your piece and you bend it, you solder on the outside of the area or the prawn. If there's an old V, you solder on the outside. I never put it on top. I never try to line them up. I always put on the top. So if you want to go all the way to the bottom, probably the best way. You don't want to go halfway, then you would have to fill the rest of it. But if you want to fuse it, you fuse on top. You fuse from the top up. But if you want to solder, never solder on top, because you will see that joint there unless you have a laser and clean it up. But if you do a V, you would definitely see the hangover like this. So you have the prawn, it's going to hang over. You would have to fill this unless you go all the way down. Then you need more material. So I'm going to give you some example how to do it, and I hope this solves some of your problems. And come on in. Thanks for watching. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to fuse it. I dipped it in alcohol and boric acid, okay? So I'm one-man operation today, so to see, do the best I can. So we're going to flux it here. I always flux it. And I'm going to take a thick wire, because later I'm gonna do is shape it into a V shape. So I'm gonna use my graver. Just want to make sure this is on. Okay. So you can see I'm gonna take my wire and I heat the bottom area, and I bring my prawn in and I fuse it into the top. You can see now it fused on there. Let me see if I could get a good view for you. I fused this on there. So what I do, I cut it and I shape that into a V shape. Okay, that's soldered on top, which is it's fused. This time I take a flat piece of stock, I flattened it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna bend it into a V. Let's see here, we're gonna grab it here and we're gonna bend it into a V shape. Okay, you could sharpen those points if you wanna like hit it on the top. Okay, because once you sharpen this here, you could hit it and make a nice crease in it to make the V, and I'm gonna cut it right there, okay? Okay, I made this a little bit shorter, and we're gonna cut it even, and we're gonna solder it on. Okay, you can see we made a V. Now we're gonna put the solder on the inside, and we're gonna either fuse it on top, or we could solder it on the inside over the prawn, okay, or outside the prawn. Okay, we're gonna put some solder there. We're gonna put it on top of the prawn, and we're gonna bring the V, some flux there, okay, like this. Don't worry as how much solder you use. I mean, you gotta use your own judgment. I put it on the outside, let it go down, and then I'm gonna take my V. As I heat it, the V will hug that prawn on the outside, okay? There you go. You can see now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. This is soldered on. Of course, you gotta clean it up and so forth, and that's a large one. And this is the one I fused on. Let me see if I can. I hit it with my, of course, I didn't shape the whole thing just to show you, but I hit it with my graver on top to give it a nice V-shaped look right there. Sorry, I'm trying to do these dirty rings. They're hard to pick up, okay? But that's, you can see. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching.